Namaskar. Myself Surajit Madhok. I am PRT from KV Tarakeswar. And Tarakeswar has given a topic of palindrome. Let's enjoy the topic. First of all, palindrome is a Greek word. It came from the palin, that means back, and dromos means direction. So backward direction. And this term was also came from a very much interesting fact that backward movement of a crab was previously known as palindrome. Nowadays, palindrome is too much interesting fact. Palindrome may be a word, maybe a phrase, maybe a sentence, maybe a number, and it is too much interesting. In my childhood days, first time I heard about the term palindrome. Our Bengali teacher first gave us such an example, that is of Ramakanto Kamar. If we read it from right to left, we will get it Ramakanto Kamar. And if we read it from left to right, then also we will get Ramakanto Kamar. It's a Bengali name and it's a Bengali palindrome. Now, there are some palindromes which are single word. Now, may I ask you, what is written here?
Mom.
So, in which direction you are reading? Is it from right to left or left to right? Right to left or left to right are both same.
Both
are same. So, mom. There are so many palindromes of single word. I will show you some example now. What is this?
Dad.
Very good. This one?
Madam.
This one?
Level.
Wow, your answer is right. Wow. This is?
Pup.
This is?
Race car.
Now, read it from the other side. Is it the same?
Same.
Okay, thank you. And I have another word also.
Bib.
This is bib. Okay, now we will see some palindrome which are used in sentence. Can you read it?
Don't not.
Now, read from this side.
Don't not. Same.
Okay, thank you. Another one. Can you read it?
No lemon, no melon.
Now write it from the other side. Backward side.
No lemon, no melon.
Thank you. Now, my next is, was it a cat I saw? Here also, we can get some palindrome. Was it a cat?
Was it a cat I saw?
Very good. Another sentence is with me. Another interesting sentence.
Mr. Owl ate my metal worm.
Mr. Owl ate my
Metal worm.
If you write it from the other side, backward direction,
Same.
then also we will get Mr.
Owl
Owl
ate my
metal
worm.
Very good. And I have another sentence also for example of palindrome. This is Madam.
I am Adam.
Madam, I am
Adam.
Adam. It is also a very interesting statement from a book, Madam, I am Adam. This is also a palindrome. Now, as we have observed many palindromes, some are words and some are in phrases or sentences. Now, we will observe some different palindromes also. Palindrome can be number or dates also. First of all, I am showing you two dates. And one is 12 February 2021. if you read it from left to right and right to left, that is forward and backward direction, in both the direction date will be the same. So these are two date palindrome. Now I have another example of number palindrome. As you can see, this is a number pyramid and all the numbers are palindrome here. All the numbers are palindrome here. Isn't it interesting? I found it very interesting. Now, as you remember that in my video, firstly I told with a name, that was Ramakanta Kamar. Now I will end this video with a name also. Name can be a palindrome also. This is the name of an ex-prime minister of Cambodia and his name is Lon Nol. Lon Nol. His name is Lon Nol. This is also a palindrome. So palindrome can be word, palindrome can be phrases, palindrome can be sentence, palindrome can be name, palindrome can be number, palindrome can be dates, and even many more. It is a very much interesting fact. Thank you. I think all of you have enjoyed it. Thank you all.